we rolled out this product with a certain vision in mind. And, as with everything else, it takes a little bit of time to understand what, is the most effective, format, what's going to work for you, what's going to work for me. As you can see, I'm a real trader. I've got huge positions on. And as you can see, the first minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes of the market is just unbelievably impactful. And so I'm trying to, find a way to, fulfill my dual role of informing and then also trying to manage all of my crazy positions. And I feel like, it's partly my fault is that I've strayed away a little bit from the concept that I had for the boiler room. So the boiler room's really the idea started when I saw a setup in May in BYND. I saw, kind of a fake out to the downside. I thought we were going to explode to the upside. I thought there was an opportunity in the pre-market session. I took it. I got in like $5 earlier than the market opened. And this just alerted me to, a phenomenal opportunity that goes on in the market where these pre-market session and post-market sessions offer these little arbitrage opportunities. And I thought it would be a great thing to have a thing where we examine high value opportunities and then try and find out where there are certain discrepancies in the market, where, I want to short something like Upstart today, if it's going to open a little higher, where we can get it at a higher price and things of that nature. Or if I want to buy something, if it's going to open lower. And that was really the intention, to have a very focused examination of high value trades, see if there is an arbitrage opportunity. If there is none, so be it. The market, is not here for our fulfillment. Sometimes there's trades, sometimes there's not. And if I can identify, 3 good trades a month, that really is, all you really should need. And I find that, I love trading. I love looking at the markets. And then we started taking, so I'm trying to find a way to marry the interests of what I wanted for you guys, which was a very focused examination, come away with, high value trades, find out if there's an arbitrage before the market opens. Once the market opens, we could look at the market for 5 hours. We can talk about it. We can look at charts, but that doesn't help you, doesn't help me. And frankly, it becomes more emotional. So I want to kind of come back to this much more focused, intentional way of looking at the market. You should be getting an email with thoughts for a revised format, where my thinking is that I want to start a little bit earlier, so I don't want to take away from all of the examination and the questions and the things we want to look at. But once the market starts, then we should have a plan. And it's you can't be talking and having your focus distracted, and then also having a plan for what's going on in the market. So what I envisage is starting this a little earlier, 15 minutes early, to give us plenty of time, 45 minutes to chat about the market. And then 5 minutes before the market, opens, we have our 1 or 2 trades. We have a plan for those trades, and then you're off and running. And then I can, manage my positions, and you have a plan. And I think that is really what my intention was from the get-go.